What's happening? So I am building some decorative walls. Basically what I'm doing is I got tongue and groove board here. It's a two-sided board. On one side it has two small sections, right? So if you want more of the slat board that's skinnier, then you can use this side. I've stained this side already, but it comes in just a regular pine. Or the other side, which is the larger one with only one slat, no in the middle groove. And then yeah, so I just stain these 4 different colors. It's super easy to install, really. I'll put my verticals on the wall, and then these will just fix to those verticals, right? On the verticals, I'm using 1x2, and then I'm using a brad nailer to nail these to the 1x2s. It looks super clean and it's super versatile. I'll tell you, this wall, once it's built and constructed, is super, super solid. You can hang a lot of material on there. Now, one thing that you'll want to make sure you do is whenever you put your brad nail, let me grab the gun real quick, hang on.
A few minutes later.
Anyway, once you get it on the wall, right, and you get your brad nailer, you're gonna want to hit this angle here, right? It'll put it at a down angle. The brad nail will be here. And so that will be a lot stronger than going straight into the wood. You go straight into the wood this way, then it can, you know, have force to pull it out. So if you're hanging a bunch of stuff on here and you go to pull that, it could pull that straight out this way. But when the brad nail is at an angle, right here on this top part, you can even put one here on the bottom part, then they're coming in this way and coming in this way. It makes it super, super strong on the wall. So yeah, it's just a simple project I'm doing. I had this, I did it at home in my shop, and I absolutely love it. It gives a good warm feel, super versatile, super strong. And that's really what you want to be. Like if you're training in martial arts, right? You want to be someone super versatile, super strong, but yet you also want to have a soft side to you, because yeah, if we're just all strong and all hard, then you know, we're going to repel people away in our life. So that's why I use this. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching, and check out the rest of the YouTube channel on the build out we're doing. See you later. Bye.